Here I have Nokia 5.3 and today I'm going to show you how to enable, disable NFC feature on this device. So to enable NFC feature, you just have to go to settings, then go to the connected devices, connection preferences, NFC. Allow data exchange when the phone touches another device. And here you can switch this function, like enable and disable it here. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.